Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you through a very quick introduction to advanced filters and cover sort of the main points to get you started. And in the future, I'll probably go through more details for this and other areas. So essentially you start contacts, and you can see all your contacts in your system. You can see your records here. You've got 145 records or contacts in our little demo account here. You can get some filtering through these standard drop-downs that are available. So you can control who the owner is. You can view just those that are owned by certain contacts, certain users in your account. You've got the date that the contact was created. So you might just be looking for recent contacts that were created, for example. We can look at the last activity date. That's when something has happened with that contact. So maybe they've done something, or maybe you've done something with them. And the lead status that you might have for that particular contact. And then we have advanced filters. So under advanced filters, you can basically filter by any property you have about the contact. So at the top here, we've got the most used ones. The ones that you've most recently used will probably appear up here. And then you have all the different contact activity, the deal information. You can see here if they're associated with any kinds of deals, the sales properties. We've got contact properties, web analytics history, conversion information, email information, Facebook ads properties, Shopify, e-commerce, if you've got that connected up, Zoom. So everything is here if you want. So I would say the fastest way is always just to type like this. And then you can filter down what are the filters you want to select in HubSpot. And so let's say we want to have a look at anyone that's related to any deals. Recent deal amount is known, let's say. And we can see all of these contacts have been associated with certain deals. And then let's try, we delete that. We can try another filter. Let's say we want to find anyone who is based in Singapore. We have one contact. What about anyone in Australia? 63 contacts. And we can add more and more filters. So basically you can add this filter, everyone who has this filter, and maybe job title is known, they would appear. Or we might want to do this, but we also might want to search for those that have a company name. Let's say company contains sun. Exactly sun. So we have those, we have added those in as well. So we've got these two different filters that are running together. We can easily clone and delete these like this. You can also just click here to clear all filters as well. Now, if you're looking to filter based on more advanced activity, like for example, you want to see if certain people have viewed or opened a certain email, the marketing email that you might have sent, you can't do that from this advanced filter view in the contacts view. You need to create a list for some of that more advanced activity. And I've done some other videos that go into detail about lists, so I won't do that here. But very briefly, when you have a list, if we create an active list, we just add the filter like this, and we would just say marketing emails. And you can then say which email, and then you say what they've done for that particular email. So that's under the list. But if you're just looking to do some filtering based on sort of the details, the high-end details that you know about a contact, can also be for other objects you've got as well. You can also create filters for companies, for deals, like this. Same thing. All the areas of HubSpot kind of work the same way now with these advanced filters. And once you've got your filter the way you want it, I also advise you to clone the view and save it as a view. So you can come back to the view later like this. I've got this filter saved here with this particular view. Again, I've done other videos on views as well, and lists versus views. So check out those videos for more detail about that. And let me know once you've played around with this advanced filters. Let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe if this is interesting for you. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to like if this video has been helpful as well. And of course, comment and share your questions and thoughts and feedback. And I'd really, really welcome it. So have a great rest of the day. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.